messages from Flan Fun Fans. So yeah, Sci-Fi Brothers in the background is over there. Oh, so yeah. So I'm gonna show you the packages I got. Just the kind of weird. This is the one, and I can't show you the kind of it. So and it says ship to Alia Then I got another package. It's the same package for always, and this is the one. So yeah, I can't show you the other bag because it's too big. And I ordered something, so I just want to see if it's bad or not. So this is your packaging. Okay, so first we're going to go with the little one, and here's what you can see through here. I will go it. Street Sport homemade. Yellow slime homemade. Street Sport for 50 bucks. Yellow slime homemade for 20 bucks. And it costs 70 bucks to have that video. It's really bad right now. And no extra money. So first we're going to go for this is not even a street sport. They must have put this one out of it. Guys, it's not even a street sport. What they gave me was a rubber ball from it, and for me, they got me really. Oh my god, I want to get rid of this. Fun fact, so there's only not things that I got with Taylor Swift, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to let you know. Okay, guys, so the last one is my yellow phone.
Got nothing for you. Grab your gear, head on back to camp.
Yeah, and not even whole day. And I always get so big and
Chest I was more lucky about tipping poor old Ziggy over the edge. To pin blame on anyone I thought was ridiculous. I mean, we're in a bloody challenge for shit's sake.
I got another phone from me, but I don't know. Okay.
I can handle this with TK support. He doesn't know the other. He doesn't need to.
How much longer can she hide the truth?
You're not going to tell him. You better be damn sure you're keeping your business moving.
Shortland Street winter season tomorrow on 2.
Alright, so this is Tim, 34 I think about the car crash a lot. I know he caused it, and I reacted the best way possible. But it's hard to let it go. When I asked what had happened to him, the doctor said he really wore the impact. And things would have been much worse.
What are you doing by the back?
They said he was lucky.
Yeah.
Lucky I wasn't going any faster. Thank you.
It's being silly, guys. Guys, but this is actually pretty good.
It's
I really
okay.
like it, but it is good to stop my favorite. But I'm gonna actually want I think I always look at this comes to the game and then I always order from Penn stuff and I always get the same it's a really long trip, guys.
One dose every 12 hours. Great. You're lost. I was going to wear a sombrero. Only Mucinex has a bi-layer tablet. Take one dose every 12 hours. Start.
Not only do I want to get from you, mate. I want to get a bit time, buddy. 30-metre garden hose only $29.
I didn't get my
139cc
black flag.
$198. 4-burner hooded barbecue
I got some of it.
$198. Handsaw set just
And I pay $50 for that. That comes with different on my thing. Okay, guys, I'll put this video. Don't give a
Harvey Norman Furniture bring you their first ever furniture flash sale. Over 4 massive days with massive flash sale deals across the furniture department. Harvey Norman's Furniture Flash Sale. Get in quick. You do not want to miss this one. Must end Monday. Get cozy.
Should face the other way.
With the hottest new company about life's little yarn.
Of course, this is your primo cushion.
That's a primo blazer. They look so great on us.
You could tie someone up pretty nice with this stuff.
Life in Pieces, Monday at